Welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Sanskriti and I love talking. In today's video, we have Chusky. दोनों ही साथ में बोले चुस्की. And we are back with a book recommendation / review. If you ask me, I will not be doing the talking. She'll be doing the talking. I'll just be asking questions which which viewers would want to know. So, Chusky, which book are we going to talk about today?
Good Girl's Guide to Murder.
This has been on Book Talk or Bookstagram, you call it, Booktube, you call it. It has been everywhere. And we are here to talk about this, especially Chusky. Okay, Chusky will be doing the talking. So, Chusky, my first question to you is, for finishing this book, okay, for finishing A Good Girl's Guide to Murder, how many days did you take?
It took me 3 days to finish this book, and I don't like murder mysteries. That is why it took me 3 days.
Oh my god, see, this is us being a reader. We both are like book lovers, if you ask me. And even though we are not into the book, even though that is not our comfort genre, we are hooked to this book. Like, she was hooked. And maybe like Verity, you can think like one more video was there on my channel that was Verity, and that kept me hooked till the end, even though I was not into that genre. So Chusky also is the same, because we book lovers, it's just us. So, moving on, now let us talk about the ratings of the book. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you want to rate this book?
I would rate it 9 out of 10 because, still, it's like my rating is 9 out of 10. Even though I'm not a person who loves murder mysteries, horror movies, thrillers, I don't love anything like that. I like Dilo Jaan se I hate them.
even though she hates the, क्या बोलूं भाई मैं, इतनी देर बैठ के 3 दिन में कंप्लीट करी लड़की, उसके लिए flower claps bro, flower claps for her. Okay, so yeah, she's giving a 9 on 10. But why would you not give it a 10? Because it is not your favorite genre, or are there any other reasons to it?
No, there are some reasons. So as you would know after reading this summary that there is an Indian family in this.
We feel included. Whenever there is an Indian family in an English book, we are there.
Yeah, but the thing I didn't like in the whole book was like whenever like Pip went for investigation, at some point everyone was like, yeah, he was Indian, that's why he did it.
Oh my god, that's rude.
Yes, that's why they treat women like that in the country. They don't.
भाई अच्छी बात नहीं होती यार. Indians reading this, of course we would not like it. So yeah, that's why you gave it a 9, I guess. How could you? Why is this? Why are you having preconceptions about us that we are a certain way?
It's not about the country always. It's about like an individual person. Like uski thinking पे ही depend करता है.
Of course.
Like what kind of a person he is.
Oh my god, I didn't know that this thing existed till now. Like, they have this misconception about Indians. Of course they do, because the situations in our country. But then, मेरे को पसंद नहीं है ये चीज़ा कि पहले से ही preconceived notion है आपके दिमाग में about someone because they are from somewhere. I don't like it.
There might be some cases, but there are some cases everywhere. Yeah. There are some people, not everyone. Like, you can't really blame the whole India for like this one thing. Like, that's what I didn't like in the book.
Okay, true that. Now that I've heard, I also agree with her. Moving on from ratings, now I would want Chusky to give a overview of what is actually going on in this book that is famous all over Bookstagram.
Okay, so like the story revolves around Pippa Fitz-Amobi, who is 16 years old.
Okay.
And like she's doing her final year project, EPQ, extended project qualification, and she decides to take like a murder mystery and solve it. Okay. Not only because she wants to know, because like it was always a mystery. Not only because of that, but she also knew the murderer, and she knew, she had this instincts of hers that she knew that he was such a nice person, he couldn't do it.
Okay.
Like,
not only because she didn't want the convicted person to be declared like not a murderer, but also something else was involved. Like her best friend's sister was very close to the convicted person, and she wanted to clear his name because of that, and give some amount of peace to the family involved too.
They had even met, like Sal Singh, the murderer, and
Okay.
her. They had actually met, like when she used to hang out at her friend's place, and he also used to hang out at his
Okay.
friend's place. Like that's when they met, and he was actually sweet. He was older than her,
Okay.
and he was like an elder brother to her,
Okay, she saw him
Yeah.
as an elder brother. Okay.
according
Okay.
to me.
भाई हर चीज बोल के लास्ट में according to me.
No.
Okay, it is your perspective, of course. Everyone who will read, they will think differently, and she has the perspective that उन्हें ऐसा था and उसको ऐसा लगा plot. And yeah, that is what the story is about. And I would not want her to spill all the details because I want you guys to go and actually read this book. Like, we are doing a recommendation/review where she's giving her ratings and also not spilling too much tea.
Like no
So, yeah.
spoilers. You can watch if you haven't even read this book.
Yeah, you should. Okay, should they read it or should they not read it?
Yes, if they're they're that kind of people who just hate, like just like me, but like more than me, like very that scares them, that freaks them out, then you shouldn't read it because there's a lot
Okay.
of murder and stuff involved.
Okay. Trigger warning she's giving that murder is involved. So if
And
you
not
are like very
only
sensitive,
murder,
okay.
but there is something else also involved. I do not want to reveal it.
Okay.
It's also a crime, like a really bad one. Like
Okay, a 13-year-old is saying really bad, so just get an idea what she's trying to tell. But if you read the book, you'll get the whole idea. That's what we want to convey, okay? She wants to tell कि go and read this book, and she has also seen the show that has come on Netflix, basically. And I was like, अगर उन्हें देख ली तो भाई आप ही बात कर लो, मुझे नहीं करना बात, आप कर लो बात शो के बारे में भी.
So, to be honest, I did not like the show as much as I liked the book.
Sorry for
So-
stopping, something came up.
So we were like, why the shows can never be the same as like the books.
Of course, they can never.
And there is this different kind of joy I find when like I read the book and watch the series with someone and they just watch the series. So I know when it changes, I'm like, ये नहीं हुआ था ऐसा, ये बिल्कुल ही अलग था. Like,
Of course, they will never
telling
know. They will
them.
never know. The people who only watch shows, we get fed up telling them कि ऐसा नहीं हुआ था. They are like, आप please आपकी information आपके पास रखो.
And I
हमें
actually like read, like I first saw the Harry Potter's like movie and I was like itni badi, and then I read the book and I'm like the movie is so small. And then I regretted watching the show before. I should have watched read the book before.
Of course. There is always something special about reading than just going about the show. Of course, we can relate. We relate on that so much because first of all, we love books. We both love books. Like, bane of our existence बोल सकते भाई. Background में हमेशा book चल रही है हम दोनों के. तो yeah, we know how different the shows are made which are based on books.
And like small things the show has changed, not really making any difference. But to be like honest, like I didn't like Sal's like character, the person like who actually played it, because like Sal was never described like this in the book.
Yeah, you imagined him a certain way,
Yes.
and now the show has spoiled it for
And
you.
actually he looks dumb, to be honest. I know I'm judging it by like the
Looks.
looks, but I always imagined him to be someone like really.
We get you, Chusky, we get you. You don't have to apologize because I know the
Not
shows
only-
do it dirty, bro. I know.
And he was like Indian, so I thought कोई अच्छा Indian बंदा लेंगे वो लोग, but
Indian banda, oh my god. Okay, girl, cool down.
and actually like not only was he supposed to look good like Sal, like
He was supposed to look innocent, I guess, not dumb.
he was really smart. Before dying, he was actually supposed to go like to Harvard. This is mentioned in the start. So there's
He
nothing.
is supposed to be intelligent, basically. he's supposed to have that IQ of a person who's going to Harvard, but in this he looks dumb.
And then the show even spoils this very big thing. Like in the book, you don't know what happens to Andy till the very very end when the murderer actually tells ki ye hua tha. But in the show, they actually, in the very start scene, like the literally start mein, they just show what happened to her. Not who did it, but what happened to her.
That is, you're spoiling it. You
You know,
really are.
It's just like, you get a spoiler, like a really bad one if you like. I don't want to tell it because people who read books, like,
Okay, now that you have watched the book and you have watched the show and you have already mentioned that you like the book better, of course, book lovers, we do. How much would you want to rate the show?
the show, because it's a copy of the book. Like it's not really like, I really, the production log entries is something I really like, how she tells everything. But in this show, you don't actually see her
Doing that.
Yeah, she basically changes her walls color with markers and stuff.
Oh my god.
How are her parents allowing that?
Okay, it's happening in a book then again. But yeah, I don't like the big parts that the readers loved about the book being changed in the show. I just hate it. I hate it to core. भाई बनाओ ही मत आप show. मत बनाओ. अगर गंदा करना है तो बनाओ ही मत. But at the end of the
And
day,
yeah,
it is
even
not.
I imagined everyone so different. Like everyone would imagine, whoever has read the
Yeah.
book, and it didn't match my expectations. Like Pip was completely a different person from how I imagined her to be. Like there was a description of her. Obviously, there was a description of everyone,
But
mostly
then-
at some point.
Yeah.
But I didn't imagine them to be like this. I didn't imagine anyone. I didn't even imagine their town or her house or her school to be like this. I don't know. I just imagined it something else, even though the town's description was.
It always happens. It always happens. Like, book gives you the freedom to imagine things, but then the show is like confiding you to things that are shown on the
Now,
screen.
If you're really like a murder mystery person or not, but like you're not a book reader, like it
Yeah.
gives you headaches. Like my friends tell me a lot that books give me headaches. Like which studies? How are you doing?
Basically, her friends tell her that, आप पढ़ाई करके फिर और बुक का क्यों पढ़ रहे आप?
Yeah, isn't like math and science and
Enough?
social enough?
I know, right?
Obviously, it's not for me. For me, nothing will be enough.
Of course.
Okay, so now here really the question comes, like if you're watching the show too, it's really good if you didn't read the book. Like it doesn't spoil anything.
And also, if you're that person who isn't into books, then you'll always be opting for shows. So it's up to you at the end of the day. So yeah, what is the question we would want to know?
Like, is Sal really the murderer, or like was even Andy Bell murdered, or is
Oh my
she
God.
alive?
Oh my god, is the murder really happening or is it not? Like, if you want to know, please go and read
The book.
the
Good
book
God.
or watch the show according to your preference.
Like according to me, like it's originally a trilogy, but to be honest, for me the murder mystery, like the solving, is the end, because I don't expect murder mystery books to like extend. Like this is a very famous book, so obviously the author has like pressure ki, even in shows, like when they complete a show, season 2, people keep asking, and even
Even
books,
when it is not needed. Just
Yes.
she wants to say is this book basically, which she has read, she felt it is complete as a single standalone book. But then there are like 2 more books to it. And
Yes.
she has not read it, and when she reads, we'll be back with that video
because
too.
like I want to read other books too, like
Yeah.
so this book is like, I will buy it obviously because I have to finish the trilogy.
Yeah.
But not right now, because this is honestly the ending for me, because the second part doesn't really like, it doesn't contain a murder mystery.
Okay.
It contains something else.
The
For that,
aftermath of the
Yes.
solving of mystery.
yes.
So she hasn't read it. When she reads, we will be back with
Now,
another
Pip
video.
here in the first book is not the main character. Andy Bell is, to be honest.
Acha, theek hai, don't reveal. In the next video, we will
Yeah,
do that. Okay.
But in the second book, honestly, Pip is the main character. Like, according to me, when I read the summary, like, jo book ke piche rehta, that time, according to me, I was like, obviously Pip is the main character here. This is exactly like what you said, the aftermath.
Yeah, the aftermath of solving everything.
Yes.
We will be back with that. Please wait for us to talk about that. Me nahi, unhe hi baat करेंगे of course तभी भी. मैं क्यों नहीं पढ़ी? Do you want to know? Basically, I was really very excited to start this book, and then one day she calls me and she's like, "I'm reading this book." I'm like, "Is this book for a 13-year-old?"
I always read, like I always tell her when I read new books. She's
Yeah,
like my
we discuss.
book pal.
Yeah, she is, but I don't tell her what I'm reading. I have my own pagalpan that is going on.
For me.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, she tells me whichever book she's reading, and she's like, she wants me to read with her. But then I was like, you are reading this. Is this even a 13-year ka age rating? Kya hai? Pehle ye check kar lo. And then when she was reading, I was like, I don't want to read it now. For some reason, मेरे दिमाग में I'm like, अब बस कर दो भाई, मुझे नहीं पढ़ना. अब तू पढ़ रही तो मुझे तो नहीं पढ़ना. ये book specifically. मैं कोई और book पढ़ूंगी तेरे साथ. We will do that.
But it doesn't really like contain anything like, you know, that like a 13-year-old can't read. It's basically a murder mystery. It contains other crimes too in there that you have to see, like that you have to read.
Okay. Now we will end on this note. I think it is enough for them to, actually read the book. I hope it inspires them to read this murder mystery. It is really good according to her, and I would also want to read, but then मेरे दिमाग में बैठ गया कि नहीं पढ़ना, तो क्या करूँ मैं? But I will try. I will give it a try. That's all for today.
When like nothing's on her list like left, that time she will try.
I hope it happens because something is always on my list.
My list is gonna take me like 60 years to complete.
ठीक है भाई, बुक के बातें कभी खत्म नहीं होते. But if you really liked us talking about the love we have for books, then do watch another video which is already on my channel where we have spoken about books. So yeah, bye. See you in the next video.